Welcome back to day 9 of Python 0 to Hero series. In the previous video, we learned about lists, tuples and sets. Today we will learn dictionaries, which store data in the form of key value pairs. Think of a dictionary in real life. Like word gives meaning, student ID gives student name, phone number gives contact name. That is exactly how a Python dictionary works. So what is a dictionary? Dictionary stores data as key value pairs like this. For example, if we are giving student equal to name key value Rahul, age this 20, branch key value triple. Explain line by line. Student, this one, student equal to bracket, and we need to close the bracket. Okay, creates a dictionary. This creates a dictionary. Student equal to this bracket creates a dictionary, and name is the key and Rahul is the value. Name is the key and Rahul is the value. And similarly, age is the key and 20 is the value. And memory representation like this also, branch equal to key and triple equal to key value. Printing the dictionary. How to print that? Now we only need to print student. Output will be what? Name is to Rahul is to language is to 20, branch is to triple. Like this it will come. Now we are learning how to accessing the value. So we learned like this, and we now print student. It gives print student name only. If you are giving like that, Python search for the key name. It returns Rahul. Like print in the bracket student, in the closed bracket we need to give name. In another example, print in the bracket student, in the another bracket we need to give the age. So the answer will be the age value. Now we are going to change the value. So if you consider this, we given and we need to change the value. After closing this, we need to give student age equal to 21. So the output will be age equal to 21. So the keyword will be changed. So what we need to do? Student in the bracket age equal to 21. Adding new data. How to add new data? Student in the bracket college equal to your ABCD college. So Python creates a new key called what? College. And output will be name equal to, name is to Rahul, age is to 21 and college is to ABCD. Removing data. How to that? Student dot pop. For adding data, what we did is just student that, and removing that, student dot pop age. If we want to remove the key age, we need to pop that dot pop, student dot pop. And if we print, only the name will be given. So next one is useful dictionary methods. Keys. Print student dot keys. What will be happen if we give print student is to key? Output will be next keys name comma age comma branch. These are the keys, and it will show all the keys. And if you need to know the values, so they will be given like a student dot values, dictionary dot Rahul comma 20 comma triple. Then print student dot items. Then dictionary so we give that name Rahul, age 20 and branch triple will be come on. So explain. Return both keys and values together. Okay, loop through a dictionary. Student equal to bracket, name is to Rahul, age is to 20, branch is to triple. For key value in student is to item, print key is to value. So what is this? So this is the code and I am going to explain this code. Okay, so here the student is to item is represented like returns what? Name Rahul, age 20 and branch ABCD. So it will be written like this. And now for key dot value in student dot items, what is that represent? Key equal to name, value equal to Rahul. So print name is to Rahul will be there. For the iteration 2, what will be? Key equal to age, value equal to 20 and the iteration will be happen. So the output will be name, age and branch. So our code is easy. So first we define and for key dot value in student dot item is given for the items that we need to print and key and value is printed correspondingly. Nested dictionary, a dictionary inside another dictionary. Student 101 is to name is to Rahul, mark is to 90. 102 is to we are given name is to Anu, mark is to 95. So here inside another dictionary, nested means we know that we are giving a loop inside a loop like that. In student we are giving like 101, inside that we are giving that values and another 101 we are giving that. Print the student 101 marks, then explaining that students 101 gives name of Rahul and mark 90 like that. Mini project student name equal to input enter the name, student age equal to input enter the age, and student CGPA equal to float input enter the CGPA, and print like that we need going to do. And for our key value in student item, print key is to value. So here we already understood that we are getting the input from the users and we are just changing them into a student details like name is to Rahul like that. So here we make common mistakes like student like trying to access a key that doesn't exist. This causes a key error. A safer option is student dot get phone. If the key doesn't exist, it returns none instead of an error. So the practice question is print only your name, age, change your age like that you can practice. And the homework project that I will show you, and you need to try out that and ask the viewers to, I am asking you to modify the program to say can search for the contact by name. Okay. So what is a dictionary? Dictionary is a collection that stores data as key value pairs. Can dictionary keys are duplicated? No, every key must be unique. So what is a dictionary? Dictionary is a collection that stores data as key value pairs. How do you access a value? Using its key. Example, student name. Difference between list and dictionary. List means accessing data using an index. Dictionary, access data using a key. Summary, what is a dictionary? Key value pairs, creating dictionary, accessing values, updating values, adding and removing keys, values, item, looping through dictionaries like that. Congratulations, you now know how one of the most powerful data structure in Python. Dictionary are widely used in web development, API, database and real world application. In day 10 we will learn functions which help you us organize code, avoid repetitions and write programs.